What's up, guys? The one and only DD. We're at school right now. It's my friend Jose. Jay-Z. Jay-Z. J-G. Is it J-G? Well, we're at school right now. We're about to go to the next class. Subscribe right now. No, I ain't gonna stop it right now. I haven't made a video in like a week. I'm sorry, guys. I've been busy. Busy all the weekend. We're about to go to class right now. You can see me on my back. That's JG. Yeah, JG. He's going to create his YouTube channel. And we got people working, don't worry. But he's going to create his YouTube channel. What are you doing? No! I'm making a YouTube video. Yeah.
I'm at school.
Yeah, he's at school. He's got a ladder. He's got a ladder.
You want to video this crack ladder? It's so high.
It's so high. But y'all subscribe to the one and only DD.
I've had it.
Him. He's lighting. Well, I'm gonna end the video right now. I'm about to be at my class.
You see what he did? He see.
So we're gonna he's gonna make his YouTube channel. I'm about to go to my next class. I'll see y'all guys next time. Y'all subscribe to me right now. Alright, bye guys. I gotta go. Bye.